Hello developers! In this video, I'll show how to install FAST in Windows. You can see FAST is not installed in my system. Let's install it. There are two ways to install it. In this video, I'll show how to install it in the manual process. Open a browser and browse to the GitHub repository of FAST or the community topic. Let's refer to the installation guide. You can also install it using terminal scripts. It'll do the rest job automatically. We'll show it in any next video. These are the steps to follow for Windows users. Let's download the fast.zip from the release section of FAST-CLI. I'm going to skip the download because the zip is already present on my system. Let's follow the steps one by one. At first, we need to create a folder by name FAST. Now, let's unzip the fast.zip to the newly created folder. Let's copy the absolute path of the newly created folder. Now, we need to create a system variable by name FastHome with the copied value. It's optional but highly recommended. Let's paste the copied value to the system path. It's mandatory for Windows users. You're done. FAST has been installed in your system. Let's run the FAST command in any terminal. Now, let's see how to create a FAST project. Open a terminal at where you want to create the FAST project. Now, write FAST create extension name and follow prompts. You can choose the language between Java and Kotlin. Let's navigate to the newly created FAST project. To build the project, you need to run fast build command. Boom! The build is success within a few seconds. With the extension, FAST also writes documentation and generates blocks for popular builders. FAST also provides support for code autocomplete features for VS Code, IntelliJ IDEA, and Android Studio. Fast.yml will be used to configure the FAST compiler. Android manifest.xml will be used to declare manifest attributes. And the ProGuard-rules.pro will be used to define necessary rules. Here, you can see a very test source code. Let's add one more method for tests. Now open the terminal and build the project. If you want to optimize the extension size, pass R or S as an argument with the build command. It successfully wrote documentation for both methods. Let's open the project using IntelliJ IDEA and let's build it from there. You may safely ignore this type of warning. Let's open the terminal and run fast build command to build the project. You may pass D as an argument to do a debug build. You can check the debug logs from the installation directory of FAST. Open the logs.txt to read logs. See you in the next video. Happy coding with FAST.